This is the assembly instructions for the Let's Party 3D shadow box or card. First, you're going to cut all your parts needed using the Design Space prompts. We're going to assemble our letters first by gluing the black letters on top of the white backing piece. I use a cotton bud to add glue behind the letters and then piece them on top of the white backing piece one after the other. This is a bit of a timely process. You can also use iron on vinyl or the pen function to draw it, but I really like the look of the black on the white for this specific one. Next, we're going to start building our card. We've got our dark blue backing piece, and then we're going to put our water piece on. But before we do the final, we're going to space and put that black round piece behind the hole where the flag is going to go. Next is our green piece. I've used some glitter green cardstock for this one, for this layer, and we're going to place that on next. Next, we're going to do our sand. Same thing, we're going to space it, put our foam squeeze behind it, remove the backing piece, add some glue on the finer details, and add it on top. Next is our dark green piece with foam squeeze, so we get a bit of dimension. Next, we're gonna put our words down and our clouds. Using our foam squeeze, we're gonna place these down into the position we want as well. We're gonna create our little flag piece next. I used a toothpick. It's gonna stand up permanently, so using my hot glue gun to attach the flag to the stick and then the stick to the card. If you want to post yours, use a cardstock please instead. And I have decided to use a teeny tiny little pom-pom for the ball instead of a paper piece for the ball, just to give it a nice effect. Let the glue dry before you move it, and there you can see the three-dimensional 3D card is ready. Hope you have fun with this one.